Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi. I know my last videos have been vlogs, but that's all I've had time to film. I find it really hard to sit down and just film a video, but hopefully these next coming weeks I don't work as much and so I'll have more time to sit down and film videos. But basically why I wanted to do a vlog this weekend is because today is Saturday and I'm going to get a tarot card reading done, and so I just wanted to document that. I am going to see if I can voice record the whole thing, and so I can make a whole dedicated video to me talking about what she said and everything like that, kind of explaining tarot card readings. Yeah, and then after that, me and my mom are gonna run some errands, and then I gotta pack because Monday morning I leave for Minneapolis to visit my grandma and my aunts, so I'm gonna be there for 3 days, and then I come back Wednesday. So plan for today, I need to finish getting ready. I have on the same Florida sweater that I had on in my last video. I literally love this sweater so much, but I need to figure out which shorts I want to wear with it. I have got two options here. First one, these ones are cans. They are from the boutique. I think there's a few pairs left. They're on the website probably, but they're just like distressed looking ones. And then I also have these ones from Celebrity, pink, and they have the 5-button and then frayed edge. So I'm gonna try them both on and figure out which ones I want to do, and then after I figure out which shorts I want to wear, I'll check back in. So I went with these Celebrity pink ones just because since my shirt is tucked in, I like how you can see the detail of the buttons. But for the rest of my outfit, my bralette is also from Boutique 23. I think we have this color in, I'm not sure. They're on the website. They're like 2-strap bralettes. Top, Florida, shorts, Boutique 23. I don't have any shoes on, but I'll probably just wear my Old Navy sandals. And then Apple Watch band from Amazon. It's marble, not gonna focus. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go head to my tarot card reading. So I switched. She's interrupting me. So I switched over to my phone because I don't want to take my camera with, just because it makes my bag heavy. What a problem, I know. Oh, look at what's in the window. Oh, hi, baby. He loves the sun. So I'm in my mom's car now. The Facebook page for the place that is having these tarot card readings just said there's openings at the time that I'm supposed to go, so let's hope that my appointment doesn't get messed up anyway, but if not, we're headed there now. So I'm home now from the tarot card reading. Oh my god, my arm looks like there's like a huge dent in it. Crazy. But I'm in my swimsuit and I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna tan. The tarot card reading thing was so accurate. It was creepy. Now I'm gonna go outside and tan. First I'm gonna grab this. This is my favorite tanning oil ever. It's like the banana boat stuff. There we go. The deep tanning oil. Love this. And then I always put this on after I get done tanning. The Sunbum Cool Down. So I'm just gonna take this one with me. And let's go tan. So I'm in my shed. And in this box right here we have chairs. And they were actually my mom's Mother's Day present, but they're like tanning chairs and I want to use one. So let's see how long it can take Jessica to get a chair out of the box. So I just got inside from tanning and I took a shower, so that is why my hair is wet. And I put on my favorite lotion. This is a Sunbum Cool Down. It's a soothing and cooling aloe lotion with rich cocoa butter and jojoba seed oil. This just feels really nice after you tan. Come in, put it on, makes you look great. I actually have pretty good tan lines. I'm not going to show you guys, but I do tan really easy. When I was outside tanning, I was listening to Tori Sterling's podcast. I listened to her episode 2. I haven't listened to the first one or the third one yet. I just wanted to hear about her life in LA for YouTube. So I listened to that. I sat out there for, I think it was like 47 minutes her podcast was, but I listened to the whole thing. Came inside, showered. Now we're here. So for the rest of the night, I'm just gonna chill. I'm very tired and I feel like I'm really dehydrated. So I'm gonna try to drink this whole thing of water. I just straightened my hair. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I didn't really do that good of a job washing out my purple shampoo. You can really tell from the back there's like purple streaks still in there, but that's fine. Kind of looks cool with all the purple. But my dad just went oh my god, my closet. It's literally a mess. But my dad just went and got my suitcase for me. He like packs them all a certain way in this closet, so like if you pull out one, you have to like pull all of them out to get them. So I just always have him get them because I would just mess the whole thing up. So I'm gonna start packing. I'm a freaking mess right now, you guys. So I haven't, let me start this though. Okay, we don't want the heat on anymore. We want the air on because it's 80 degrees outside, and when I left here it was like raining and in the 40s. But like I said, I just got back. I haven't vlogged for a very long time. I was in Minneapolis doing some things. But now I'm back here and I'm finally driving. Today's Thursday, May 30th. I think the last time I vlogged was Saturday. But I just got into my car and I haven't been in my car since like Sunday, so it's been a while. And if you guys watched my car tour, you guys know that I had this little thing around here and it broke. All the beads are places, so that's very sad. I don't know why that broke. No one was even in my car, but it did. So I'm just gonna pick all of these up and I'm just gonna set them in there. But basically I'm just gonna get a shake now, come home and tan. It's supposed to be like at 90 degrees here today, so perfect tanning day. So I'm just gonna pick all these up and then run and get a shake. Just got my shake. I haven't got a shake in forever either, so I'm super glad that I went and got one. But I got strawberry kiwi tea and then of course a fried ice cream shake, my favorite. But now I think I'm just gonna drive around a little bit. That's one thing I hate about the cities is you can't just like go on a drive without getting stuck in traffic. So I'm just gonna drive around a bit because I haven't drove in a long time. Okay, you guys, it's literally, I don't even know if it picks it up, but there's so much cotton flying around and like down on the floor down there. You can like see little bits of it. It literally looks like it's snowing outside right now, but it's just cotton. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm just gonna drive now.